If you think you know what AI is all about, you've never seen anything like this. There's a reason that we hit the Inc. 5000 fastest growing companies list, and we've done it in back-to-back years, and more importantly, we've helped our students and our clients generate millions of leads, and I don't even know how many millions in sales. When you join the web class, I'm gonna give you a list of the 250 best AI tools out there, just another gift for you taking action. But what really sets this apart though, is the fact that we teach you how to put AI to work, right? 24 hours a day, generating leads, making sales, supporting customers, and you can do this with zero technical skills, zero business experience as well.
When you are wanting to integrate your business and bring it to something more modern, this has got to be one of the best ways to do it.
Creating the bots, to Facebook marketing, to using AI, just such great content.
The breakdown from module to module, it flowed so smooth.
This is a game changer for our business.
I started almost from zero and I'm heading to hero.
His technology is cutting edge.
Everything is right there, it's simply explained, the content is great.
We've really been spellbound. It's like, I want to listen to another one, I want to listen to another one.
I'm still putting everything together, but it's a joy. It's a labor of love, and it's something that's going to be significant.
The whole team is phenomenal.
Out of all the courses I've done in my life, you guys have been the most hands-on, helpful, and involved.
Their support is awesome, so if you're not using AI, you totally should.
The people behind Bot Builders are the absolute best.
And I'm just blown away by the support and the help.
As I said, I'm old, and everyone is very patient.
You went above and beyond anything I could ever imagine, and I love working with you.
The support that comes with it is out of this world.
Bots are the future, and I feel so very fortunate.
I'd like to thank you for this program to make it so simple for people like me that has no experience with this at all.
Like most people, we've tried a lot of different things, and this one has just been so fun.
Just wanted to say thank you again so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys so much.
Really just congratulate you for the whole program.
Get a hold of botbuilders.com and just learn as much as you can.
Join Bot Builders and start this journey to help other people.
You will not find a company that cares more about you and your business to make that happen. So Bot Builders rocks.
Go Bot Builders.
Go Bot Builders.
Go Bot Builders!
So if you need a bot for your business, call Bot Builders.
If you haven't done it yet, you need to do it if you want to do bots.